Welcome to Sankyana Education. Let us check out the feedback of data science student. He has explained what he learns throughout the course.
Hello and good evening. My name is Kevin Kipiegon Korir, and I was once a student in Sankyana Consultancy Service. I enrolled in November last year, and I completed my course studies in data science on March of this year. I want to be grateful, and I'm so grateful because of Sankyana. Actually, I got to learn new things, new skills, and above all, they taught me well. I pass my regards to our tutor, that was Tabaswini Nayak, and her dedicatedness to teaching us so well. We understood in a broad-based data science and machine learning algorithms. And I will, if I was to refer or to commend much about data science in Sankyana, I will actually refer many and tell them that this is a good cause and this is a good institution to receive the knowledge regarding data science.